Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to find your IP address in Windows. It's pretty simple and easy. I'm going to show you the couple of easy ways how to find it out. Let's see. So you can always go to your network settings. I would say just go to Windows tab and go to settings, and there you can find network and internet. Click on that, and whichever network you're connected is. I'm connected to Ethernet, but if you're connected to Wi-Fi, just click on properties of it, and you should actually see your IPv4 address there. The one next to IPv4 address is your IP. If you're not port forwarding or anything, but that should be your IP. One of the other way that you can use is just go to search and search for command prompt CMD, and click on command prompt and just type in ipconfig and hit enter. This should also show you IPv4 address, which is your IP address. So that's how you find out your IP address. Hope this helped you, and hope you like this, and please subscribe and share this video so that I can make more videos. I can make more and more videos about tips and tricks how to use Windows and everything. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.